Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s to the power of 2022. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 2022 s to the power of 2021 ds. Because we don't have 2022 in here, so we need to divide both sides by 2022. So this one we change by u, this one we change by u, s to the power of 2021 ds we change by this one. Next, we have the formula in here. So we have a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So this one we have 8, this one we have b. We want to create about a square minus b square to cancel about the square root. So to do about this one, we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So this one we simplify, and we have u plus 2022 minus u minus 2022. So if we simplify on the denominator, we have 4044. Next, I will put 4044 go outside. So this one we can change by u plus 2022 to the power of 1 over 2. Similar for this one. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of a s plus b to the power of c, we have as plus b to the power of c plus 1 over a multiplied by c plus 1, and I will put about capital C, that is about the constant. Now we can apply the formula in here and here. Coefficient of u, that's about number 1. This is why we have number 1 in here. So this one we have 3 over 2. This one we have 3 over 2. Next, about u, that is about this one. And here is the final answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.